You have the potential to create cinema-level images with the GH5 and 5s. You only need to know how to calibrate and color correct your footage. Well-corrected images feel alive and they look three-dimensional. You can just feel when the colors are right. That's how your clients can instantly see if you know what you're doing. There is many lookup table packs for generic film looks, but if you don't calibrate your footage, the lookup tables just don't work, as you might have already experienced yourself. Color correction is more important than the grading part of look creation. It's easy just to add a lookup table to your footage to give it a grade, but without a correction, you don't get far. And that's why I have created the color correction kit, the only set of tools just for these cameras. The kit is a collection of carefully calibrated lookup tables for color correcting your GH5 and 5s footage. The kit will replace the Vlog upgrade that by itself cost around $100. With less than half of the price of the upgrade, the kit will give you Vlog with less compression artifacts for 8-bit shooting and 35% more bit depth with 10-bit shooting. It will give you fast and accurate way to color correct your Vlog footage and other profiles. With these tools, you can fix white balance and exposure similar to RAW photos and make your camera rival high-end cinema cameras. Don't buy the Vlog upgrade and don't buy an Arri Alexa, buy this kit instead. To learn how to elevate your videos, I have created a free quick mini course on color correction and color grading. With the color correction kit and the skills you learn from the course, you can shoot cinema-level images. These are the tools I use in all of my projects, so I'm convinced that you'll use them as well. That's why I'll give you 2 weeks of time to test it out yourself. If you are not happy with the kit, I'll give you a full refund. So I'll take the risk. Get the kit that makes your videos stand out and join the course now.